Hi, I'm David Hull with the Screenworks here at LDI 2023 in Las Vegas, Nevada, in the brand new West Hall of the Convention Center here in Las Vegas. Our company, the Screenworks, was founded in 1959. We started out as a staging company building sets, screens, drapery, everything for touring road shows, but eventually we became a leading manufacturer of our EasyFold brand of portable projection screens and presentation products. We also manufacture lace and grommet surfaces, replacement surfaces for competitive frames. We also manufacture custom screens too, built to your spec. The Screenworks is also a rental house, and we do repairs for ours and many other manufacturers' products. So give us a call when you can, or look us up on our website, www.thescreenworks.com.